Once upon a time, there was a hard-working general manager named Gordy. One day, he went around to do site visits of his two-part warehouses. He arrived at the first, walked into the warehouse, and immediately exclaimed, "This warehouse is too full." He walked around the aisles and added, "This warehouse is too messy." He left the first warehouse stressed and started his journey to the second location. Upon arriving, he was once again shocked. "This warehouse is too empty," he whined. Grumpily, he walked out into the yard, where he found 3 very sad, broken lorries that were just waiting for parts to come in. Frustrated further, he groaned, "This warehouse is costing us too much downtime." Easy inventory management isn't just a thing of fairy tales. With EMDECS, you can get your inventory just right. Try out our suggested parts ordering lists, min and max part level settings, and so much more to make inventory management, well, more manageable. We help take the focus away from all those tedious tasks, allowing you to shift focus to what's really important to you. For help simplifying your fleet maintenance and management, visit BrightOrder.co.uk.